In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use our new and improved power bank that is offered on our site, pulsedmf.com. It's an upgrade from the previous one that we used to offer. It's rated at 10,000 milliamp hours, which means it holds twice the amount of charge, therefore can last twice as long. This power bank is rated only for the 60 LED wrap, the 96 LED knee wrap, the 96 LED shoulder wrap. I've been testing this at home for the last couple of days on the 60 LED wrap, and I'm very impressed. It's performing really well. It's got these 4 indicator lights, which I'll show you shortly. And I used that for the 60 LED wrap about 6 times, 6 20-minute sessions, and it was still almost fully charged. Now the wraps are sold either with or without power banks because some people already have these. So let's take a closer look at it. I'm going to show you how to charge it properly, the inputs and the outputs, and how to connect it to these wraps. The power bank is classified as a lithium polymer battery. It's rated at 10,000 milliamp hours, and this relates to the amount of charge it can hold and therefore how long it can power your device. So the milliamp hour rating is what you want to look at when you're comparing power banks. It measures approximately 5.5 inches by 2 3/4. It's got these 4 indicator lights that will light up blue, and I'll show you that shortly. If all 4 are on, it's 100%. It indicates that it's 100% charged. The outputs are the connections that are used to charge devices. And as you can see, it's got these integrated cables, which is really nice. You don't have to have a separate one. We've got the Apple Lightning cord, so you could charge iPhones and iPads. You've got the USB-C cable, which Androids and a lot of other types of devices use. And you have the micro USB. If you have any micro USB devices, you could charge it with that. This right here is the cable that you use to charge the device with. It goes into a USB port. So this is technically an input, not an output. Okay, so you're not going to charge things with this one. What you do is you get a USB AC plug like this, and I'll bring it closer here. You see these metal contact points, and if you look in the USB port, there's a piece of plastic at the top. You want those metal contacts facing up against that plastic piece. You could see it in there. You stick it in like that. And then when you plug it in, you could see that it's charging. This is already fully charged, but you'll see the lights blink. I don't know if you could see that, but that's how it works. So this is how you charge it. All right. On the side, you'll see micro USB port. For some reason, if you want to use that to charge it, you can do that as well if you have a micro USB cable. Plug that in, same thing with the USB AC plug. You plug it in and you could charge it that way as well. And this USB port is where all the action is. This is where you're going to plug in your devices. I've got the 60 LED wrap here. Now this wrap, I've made a video of it before, but it's great for small areas like your wrist, your elbow. If you have a bone fracture, you could wrap it around that and hold it in place with the elastic band. This is the controller. It's plugged in the back like this. And take your power bank, plug it in, and you could see, you saw how that went on like this. So press it, and you could see that this power bank is totally capable of powering this 60 LED wrap. It's got this little pouch, but unfortunately it's too small to hold this in place. But it comes with an elastic band that you could wrap around it, and what I do is kind of tuck it in the plastic band and wrap the cord around it to make it tangle free. Here's the power bank attached to a 96 LED knee wrap. The wrap comes with a cable that you plug in here. It's plugged into the power bank, so the power button indicator is on green. Okay, press it and it turns it on. So that's it. If you're interested in getting one of these LED red light therapy wraps, visit my site at pulsedemf.com. Stay tuned. I'm going to make individual videos on each of these wraps and demonstrate the different ways you can use them. That's it for now. See you on the next video.